I'm today in front of me Realme 9 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago and now I'll unlock the device with my face and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. As we can see that I just unlocked the device, but I'll just change here the feature to directly unlock the device and just to directly launch the home screen. So enter home screen after unlocking, just to show you that the device is unlocked. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here so fast. We just can unlock the device just less than in 1 second. So I just suggest you to try it. And for example, if you don't like the unlock methods like the passcodes or pin codes, you can use the face unlock method. And just don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than other unlock methods like the passcode, pin code or pattern. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.